A lot of bad things are happening in South Africa. All countries have their problems, so you have to listen to me. You're kicking out farmers. You're beating them up mercilessly. We are not as dumb as you think. We are not as poor as you think. And you're racists. Who told you that? The news told me. Look at your politicians. What do you want me to do with them? Arrest them. I'm not arresting Julius Malema or Jacob Zuma. It's none of my business. Look at what you're doing in South Africa. You're beating up farmers. If you're accusing us of beating white farmers, look at what America is doing. Your politicians are racist. They're singing songs about shooting farmers. Excuse me, did you confront Volodymyr Zelensky like that? Or Kim Jong-un? You're kicking out farmers from their homes? See, I told you so. They're all racist. I got the GNU with me. You're kicking out white farmers from their homes. Donald Trump, South Africa is not the problem. The problem is you. Mr. Trump, let's not make a mountain out of a molehill. Let's get straight to the facts. This is not a race issue, it's a crime issue. South Africa is dealing with crime issues, not race issues. So back off. Comrades, I don't trust Donald Trump. He's a racist and a liar. And I don't trust Cyril Ramaphosa either. He's a coward and a sellout. Wenzeni uRamaphosa? Better him than me. If you want to say all those bad things about me, talk to me face to face. Mja. If you want to speak about me at the White House, invite me there and I'll give you the facts. I will not be insulted by these stupid racists. Yebo, Ramaphosa said we will not be bullied, but Donald Trump abused him at the White House because he doesn't know what he's doing. Everybody rise up. I will not respond to Donald Trump because he does not know what he's doing. Ngikufundiseleni. Usiphukuphuku. Ungahlala ngami wena. Khozeka. Yebo. Awulethu umsini wami. Yini uthi sihlukumeza abalimi. Usiphukuphuku wena. Listen here, Elon. I'm gonna make a bill. It's gonna be really, really big. And it's gonna punish everyone. I'm gonna put tariffs on all these countries. I'll put tariffs on South Africa, Australia, United Kingdom, and China. No, you've gone too far. I quit. This is not like you. No, this is crazy. I quit. No, you're fired. Everyone, don't trust Donald Trump. He's a felon. He's a criminal. What? He does dirty things. I'm never gonna recover from this. From now on, I'm gonna fund the Democrats. Don't you dare. If you fund the Democrats, I'm deporting you. You're going back to South Africa. Do it. I dare you. No, I take that back. I'm sorry. Good boy. Let's teach those radical lefts a lesson. Yes. No one is right except for me. Yes, we'll fool the liberals.